Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in outdoor gear. Today, we're diving into one of the top muzzle-loading accessories on the market, the MTM ML1-40 Muzzle-Loader Dry Box. If you're a hunter or a shooting enthusiast, this product might just be what you've been looking for to keep your black powder and accessories safe and secure. The MTM ML1-40 Muzzle-Loader Dry Box is an essential for anyone who loves to keep their ammunition and powder stored safely and dry. It's designed specifically for muzzle-loading enthusiasts, ensuring that your black powder and other accessories remain weather-resistant and ready for action. Made from tough polypropylene, this box is built to last. It's both lightweight and durable, with thick sidewall construction that guarantees extra protection for your gear. One of the standout features of this dry box is its O-ring seal. This seal provides superior water resistance, keeping your powder and supplies safe from the elements, whether you're out in the field, at the range, or storing your gear for long-term use. The heavy-duty latch and padlock tabs ensure that your contents stay secure, giving you peace of mind that your items won't accidentally spill out or be tampered with. When it comes to storage, the MTM ML1-40 doesn't disappoint. The roomy base provides ample space for all your muzzle-loading essentials. You'll also find a full-size lift-out tray, perfect for organizing smaller tools and accessories like wrenches, patches, and other items you need on hand during your shooting sessions. The top access lid compartment allows easy retrieval of those smaller items, so you don't have to dig through the box every time you need something. The MTM Muzzle-Loader Dry Box also features a large, comfortable handle, making it easy to transport wherever you need to go. Whether you're heading to the shooting range or preparing for a hunting trip, carrying your supplies has never been more convenient. This dry box comes in a sleek black color and is made right here in the USA, giving you confidence in its quality and craftsmanship. The dimensions of 15 inches long by 8.8 inches wide by 9.4 inches high make it just the right size for your storage needs, offering enough room without taking up too much space in your truck or at home. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, weather-resistant storage solution for your muzzleloading gear, the MTM ML1-40 Muzzle-Loader Dry Box is definitely worth considering. It combines durability, water resistance, and ample storage space into one fantastic package. Whether you're a seasoned muzzleloader user or just starting out, this box will help ensure that your gear stays dry, secure, and ready for action. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you in the next video.